Welcome back to Sophisticated Teacher, where we are beginning a summer wear series. You will need a sewing machine, polyester thread, stretch knit fabric, scissors, marking pen, and a ruler. To make your skirt, you're going to cut your waistband. You're going to do your waist length with a 5-inch wide waistband. Next, you're going to cut out your skirt bottom. You're going to do that by measuring out your waist length and multiply that by 2, and then your skirt bottom length is going to be from waist to floor. Mine is 36 by 60. You're going to take your skirt bottom and you're going to go to your machine. You're going to measure, you're going to get the widest stitch, you're going to baste it at the waist, and then you're going to gather it with one piece of thread until you get your desired width. You're going to attach your waistband to your skirt, and then you're going to sew your last side seam or your only side seam, and then you're going to hem your skirt. To make your halter top, you're going to cut out, beginning on the fold, 2 strings by cutting them out about 2 inches wide. Mine are a little bit wider. You can cut them out a little bit wider as well. And then in order to measure out your actual halter top, you're going to cut out your halter top bottom and clip a notch, but you're going to measure how wide you want your halter top bottom to be. Then you're going to measure from your neck to the bottom of the halter top, and that'll be the length, like how long you want your halter top will be. You'll clip a notch. Then you're going to measure how wide you want the top of your halter top to be. And that's going to be like measuring across your breast and adding a couple inches. And then you're going to cut that out going on a straight. Make sure all of this is being done on a fold. Next, once you do that, you're going to connect the end of the top of your halter piece and then connect it to that notch that you clipped earlier. And then that will show you exactly what your top looks like. So to pause for a second, you're going to see that you have your halter top, bottom, and then you're going to sew your strings together. Wherever I have those pins, that's where you need to sew it down. Don't sew it down where the fold is. End it off, clip the edges where you've cut. That's the length of what's actually been cut. And then you're going to push and pull through so that you can flip your string inside out. This is the bottom, and then your top halter piece, your top halter string rather, is going to be skinnier than your bottom halter string. And you'll see why in a second. So push and pull, push and pull, push and pull until you get the desired piece. Do a rolled hem on the side slant of your halter top, and then you're going to sew that down. So wherever you see those pins on your left there, that's where you're going to sew it down. Next, you'll take the bottom of your halter top. Well, you'll take the top. You see there where I'm showing you where the thread is? You're going to take the halter top, fold it over, leaving an opening, and then you're going to sew it down. And I'm showing you what it looks like on both sides. Next, you're going to take a safety pin and push it through that hole that you needed to leave through your halter top. And then pull it through till it comes out on the other side. Then you're going to take the bottom of your halter top, which is the widest part. It's shaped like a trapezoid. You're going to lay it out evenly. You're going to pin it down, and then you're going to make sure it's smooth, and you're going to make sure that it's in the middle of that wide string that you flipped inside out and sewed down. Okay? And after you've done all of that, you're going to sew it down. And it's not perfect, but it's great for a beginner method, and it's the quickest and easiest. After you've done that, you're going to press your garment pieces, and then, my fellow sophisticated teachers or my fellow socialists, you're going to hem your garment, you're going to press it, strut, and slay. Thank you so much for watching. Go to my Instagram to see how this looks on. Bye-bye.